Drone technology innovation changed the way buildings are cleaned. Ground power and water supply. The system can work all day. Quick installation of ultra-high pressure spray gun. 235 bars ultra-high pressure. Maximum flow rate of 900 liters per hour. 20 square meters per minute for efficient cleaning. Phased array radar obstacle avoidance. Environmentally friendly cleaners effectively protect the environment. Multiple nozzles and multiple cleaners. Suitable for a variety of raw materials. Before cleaning. After cleaning.